We're going to go see what Mr. Owen is doing. He's been very quiet. Hi, Owen. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Well, hello. You just hanging out in here? Being a big boy? What are you doing in here? You were so quiet. Hey, buddy. Yeah, you were so quiet in here. I thought maybe you had gone to sleep. You're just hanging out, huh, mister? That's my big boy. Is that light so bright? Is that light so bright? Hey, buddy boy. Hey, Mr. Man. Oh, what? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. You like looking at your animals? Boop. 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 You're so big. You're so big. Yes. Got you under the chin. Got you under the chin. You ready to go play? You gonna go play? You gonna go play? Yeah. Yeah, you ready to go play, mister? Look at some toys.